In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and replace in monday.com. So go to the desired board example on your account and you should find yourself here. So once you are here, of course, you can do there are a lot of options. First of all, there's like the manual option, which is you can just go and do manual search and edit. As an example, you're looking for a specific task, you can just go and search right here, an example for task one, an example, maybe. And here we are, we find this, we can just go and click on it and edit it. So this is like the basic one or manual option. And of course, there is no like replace all functionality and changes must be done one by one. So the option 2, if you use an example, the monday.com Excel Export Plus, you can add an example and import an example for both changes. So what you'll have to do is simply export your board to Excel or to Google Sheets. So you can go to the top right here, click on options, simply go to more actions and click on export board to Excel. Once you do so, you should find this here. So you can include updates and you can email it to yourself or just go and click on export. So once you do so, you can go to your Google Sheets and use the find and replace. Basically Control H in Excel and Google Sheets all the same. And you'll find, of course, if you want to bulk updates, you'll have the option to enter whatever you want to edit or whatever you want to change, and you should be good to go. Once you're done, you'll have to re-import the board on your monday.com. Of course, let me just go and show you here. So sheets, and you can just go and open sheets here, an example. So Control H to find something and replace. So on the desired, of course, sheet or Excel that you exported. So other than that, now you'll have to import it back. So you can just go back to home here on this left panel, click on plus, click on imports like data and choose Google Sheets or Excel, whatever suits you. So if you choose Google Sheets, you'll have to click to browse. If you are, of course, connected to a Google account, you'll be able to click on sign in and choose this right away. And if you choose like the Excel option, so let me just go and choose, you'll have basically just to upload it and you should be good to go. So that's about it. That's how you find and replace all in monday.com. If you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out.